First, confirm your key fob matches the 2019-2022 Toyota Avalon model HYQ14FBE shown here. Now gather the supplies needed for the battery replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, widely available for $2 to $5 at most retailers, a small flathead screwdriver for prying, or a plastic pry tool as an alternative. Optionally, an anti-static wrist strap to protect the fob's electronics. Work on a non-conductive surface and avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the fob. Locate the small notch or seam on the back of your key fob. Gently pry the fob open, separating the two halves. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, note the battery's orientation with the positive side up. Use the pry tool to carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the fob halves back together, ensuring the rubber gasket is properly seated for weatherproofing. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons from a distance of 20 to 30 feet to ensure proper function.